Don't tell anybody, but we're going to have fun learning today. Sarah Habibi joins us now with science experiments that you can do at home. And this is like a kit that you've created, and you did it during the pandemic.
Yes, I did. I saw an opportunity where I started introducing science to my son. He's now 2.5, and he's fully immersed in the world of science at home. And so I thought, let me teach parents how to do this too, and give them the tools to do it.
Because you're not just an ordinary mom. You have your PhD in
molecular biology.
Okay. So your company is called Mito & Co.
Yes, and it's a play on the word mitochondria, because that's a word that a lot of people remember from science.
Okay, there you go.
And in it, they can get these like fully curated science boxes that have all the materials, instructions, and lessons to carry out these very science experiments that we're going to do today.
Okay, let's do the first one. So it's magnetic slime.
Magnetic slime. So slime is a fan favorite in a lot of households, but we're going to take it up a notch, and we're going to make it magnetic.
Okay.
And so I'm going to get you here. We have some magnetic powder. This is just iron oxide powder. And
I pour the whole thing in?
Yeah.
And what am I pouring it into?
We're pouring it into glue. And so we have about half a cup of glue in here.
Okay.
And so we're going to mix it all together. That's what's going to give it this deep, rich color that I love. And if you look at it closely, it kind of sparkles a little bit.
It does.
Yeah, and so this iron oxide, it's a metal that's magnetic, and so that's what's key in this experiment. Now, to activate our glue and to take away that stickiness and turn it into that slime consistency that kids love, we are going to go ahead and add an activator. And so in here, I just have a 1/4 teaspoon of borax and half a cup of water. You can pour about half in. Yep, there we go. And you're going to start to mix. And already, if you start to lift it up, you're going to see that it's already starting to form a slime.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Now, this is meant for ages 2 to 5, but with parental supervision.
With parental supervision.
Yeah.
And then children, we offer boxes that are for like 5 to 10-year-olds, and those can be done independently.
Okay.
We also have videos that the children can follow along so they can see what the steps look like.
Okay.
And so once this is fully mixed together, we're going to get a slime that looks something like this. All right?
Is it a lot of mixing until you get it?
You have to knead it quite a bit.
Okay.
But once it's all fully kneaded, it's going to look like this. And if you go ahead and take a magnet, you can stick it to the slime.
Oh, neat.
And you'll see that it's magnetic. And so kids will have a blast. In one of my boxes, we offer the magnets, we offer everything that you need for that slime.
Next, we're going to make lava lamps.
Lava lamps,
yes. Very cool.
Very cool. So as a millennial mom, this is a favorite for me because it brings me back to my childhood. And this time we're going to make it where the base is actually a vegetable oil or a canola oil.
Okay.
And so what's going to be fun for the kids is that they get to choose what color of lava lamp they want. And so go ahead, you can choose
so I'm going to do a red one.
A red one, perfect. I'm going to do a blue right here, and you're just going to add a couple drops to water. This is just regular tap water. And then we're going to go ahead and mix that in together.
And we've got 90 seconds left.
Okay. And then we're going to take this and we're going to pour it into our bottle. Okay. And we're going to put of course, we're going to pour it in just until the top. So leave about 1 inch from the top. And you're going to see, of course, oil and water don't mix. And so it's going to sink to the bottom of the bottle here.
Cool.
It already looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
But to activate it and make it actually have the bubbles that is characteristic of a lava lamp, you're going to take an Alka-Seltzer tablet. We're going to break it in half, and then you're going to drop it in. And you're going to see that it's going to sink to the bottom. And as it starts to react with the water, it's going to start to form bubbles of carbon dioxide gas that are going to get trapped in these bubbles that are going to start to float up to the top and then down to the bottom again, and giving you the lava lamp effect.
Very neat. Okay, I think we've got 30 seconds left.
Okay.
What's this last one?
This is magic milk, and so we just have some full-fat milk in a dish here and some dish soap. And so you can go ahead and add a few drops of food coloring into the center of your dish.
Why don't you go ahead and show what's going to happen so that we don't run out of time here.
And then you have a Q-tip, you put some soap on the end, and then you dip it into the center.
It's magic!
And it turns to magic. And so this is super easy. All you need is milk, food coloring, and dish soap.
Oh, very cool.
Yours.
That is awesome. So neat. Okay, again, it's Mito & Co. And you've got some really cool videos too on social media where you show all kinds of different things. Sarah, we got to get you back on the show because this is so much fun.
I would love to join you, Ben.
Okay, we'll get all the links up on our website, chch.com/morninglive. That's really neat.
Yeah, yours turned out beautiful. Wow.